Chapter 1 Pattern in Mathematics Part 2 1.1 Patterns in Numbers. Among the most basic patterns that occur in mathematics are patterns of numbers, particularly patterns of whole numbers. These are whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity or so on. The branch of mathematics that studies patterns in whole numbers is called number theory. The branch of mathematics that studies patterns in whole numbers is called number theory. Next, number sequence are the most basic and among the most fascinating types of patterns that mathematicians study. Okay, mathematicians study this number. Table 1 shows some key number sequence that are studied in mathematics. Okay, we'll discuss table 1 with figure it out questions. Okay, first let's see here. Pattern in mathematics, pattern in numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are whole numbers as we have studied. Whole numbers, and this definition we have already studied. The branch of mathematics that studies patterns in whole numbers is called number theory. Next example, from this whole number we can find out this natural number by not considering 0. We can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is called natural number. Again, if we don't consider the alternate numbers starting from 1, let's not consider 2, then 4, then 6, then we'll get this 1, 3, 5, 7. This is called odd numbers. Again, now let's not consider 1, 3, 5, and we'll of course not consider 0 also. Then we'll get 2, 4, 6, 8. This is even number. We'll discuss about these two later also. Next, table 1 examples of number sequence. So we'll discuss this table with the help of this figure it out. Now question number 1. It is same. It is given. Can you recognize the pattern in each of the sequence in table 1? So by answering this question, we'll understand this table. Okay. So I have written here, figure it out, number 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is given. So it is all ones. All ones series or pattern. Okay. So here the pattern is 1 plus 0, again 1 plus 0, again 1 plus 0. We are getting repetition of 1. So we can write each number in the sequence is repetition of 1, and that is the pattern. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is counting numbers, or we can say natural number. So what is the pattern here? 1 plus 1 we will get 2, then 2 plus 1 we will get 3, then 3 plus 1 we will get 4, then 4 plus 1 we get 5, then 5 plus 1 we get 6, then 6 plus 1 we get 7. So I have written here each number in the sequence increases by 1 or by addition of 1. Next, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. What these are? Odd numbers. Odd numbers. So how we are getting this? 1 plus 2 we get 3, 3 plus 2 we get 5, 5 plus 2 we get 7, 7 plus 2 we get 9, 9 plus 2 we get 11, 11 plus 2 we get 13. So we can write each number increases by 2 starting from 1. Okay, understood? Next, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are even numbers. And how we get this? First we have to start with starting 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 14, 12 plus 2, 14, like that. It will go on. So I have written here each number increases by 2 starting from 2. Also, even number we can say like this also. We know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. These are natural numbers. Now if we don't consider 1, 3, 5, 7, the alternate number starting from 1, then what we have? 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is similar to this, and it is called even number. Next, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. These are called triangular numbers. How we are getting this? We can get this with the help of formula n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, means the position. So let's see here. 1 then 3. We are not not considering 2. Then after 3 we get 6. We are not taking 4 and 5. Then 6. After 6 we are writing 10. We are not considering 7, 8 and 9. After 10, 15. So we are not considering 4 numbers in between. That is 11, 12, 13 and 14. See, the numbers are increasing. First 1 number, then 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. Here it will be 5 number we will not consider. Here we will not consider 6 number. Or we can find out with the help of this formula. So what I have written is each number increases by n into n plus 1 by 2 starting from 1. Okay, here n is position of terms. Let's see, if suppose 1 2 3 4 5, if n is 5, okay, here we need to get 15 the answer. So we'll put here n is 5 and 5 plus 1 divide by 2. 5 into 5 plus 1 is 6 divide by 2. 2 3 is 6, we get 15. See, it is same as this one. These are called triangular numbers. Next, 1 4 9 16 25 36 49. So these are square numbers. How we are getting? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square and so on. Okay, each number in the sequence is square of what? Natural numbers. Okay, next, 1 8 27 64 125 and 216. These are cube numbers. How we are getting? 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. Okay, here we can write each number in the sequence is cube of natural number. Did you understand? Say natural numbers are 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are natural numbers. Now if we square these numbers, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, what will we get? 1 2 2 4 3 3 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. So it is written here like that only. See, these are square numbers. These are cube numbers. Next, 1 2 3 5 8 13 21. So these are Virangka series. So how to get this? See, first we have to consider two numbers. 1 and 2 we'll consider. 1 then 2. Then to get a third number we'll add these two. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then to get the next number we'll add 2 plus 3, we'll get 5. Then to get the next number we'll add 3 plus 5, we'll get 8. Then to get the next number we'll add this. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 5 plus 8 is 13. Then 8 plus 13 is 21. Then 13 plus 21, how much it will be? 34. So I will go on. So we can write each number in the sequence is the sum of previous two numbers. Sum of previous two numbers and the starting numbers and the starting two numbers are 1 and 2. Understood? See, I am showing one more time. 1 2. First we have to consider, we have to take first two, 1 and 2. Okay, then we'll add 1 and 2, we'll get 3. Then we'll add 3 plus 2 plus 3, we'll get 5. Then we'll add 3 plus 5, we'll get 8. Then we'll add 5 plus 8, we'll get 13 and so on. Next, 1 2 4 8 16 32 64. These are power of 2. And I have written each number in the sequence is expressed as 2 power n, where n will be 0 1 2 3 and so on. Now let's check how to get this series. So 2 power n and n value is 0. So 2 power 0, anything but a 0 is 1. Next, 2 power 1 will get 2, and 2 power 2 will get 4, and 2 power 3 will get 8, then 2 power 4 will get 16. Say it is similar. 1 2 4 8 16. 1 2 4 8 16. Okay, understood? Next, 1 3 9 27 81 243 and 729. This is power of 3. Similarly, as before, we can say each number in the sequence is expressed as 3 power n, where n is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So similarly, we can write 3 power 0, 1, 3 power 1, 3, 3 power 2, 9, 3 power 3, 27, 3 power 4, 81. See, 1, 1, 3, 3, 9, 9, 27, 27, 81, 81. Understood? Now 1 is completed. Let's do figure it out number 2. It is same, only we have to write next 3 numbers after this. Rewrite each sequence of table 1 in your notebook along with the next 3 numbers in each sequence. So we have to write the next 3 numbers. Now what will be the next 3 numbers after the sequence? Okay, so let's go. Here it will be 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. It is a repetition of 1, so the next 3 number will be also 1 1 and 1 and so on. Okay, 1 is done. Then B, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is addition of 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. Next 7 plus 1 8, then again 8 plus 1 9, then 10. Okay, next it is done. 1 3 5 7 9 11 13. Its number increases starting from 1. So what we have done is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 2 15. Next 15 plus 2 17. Next 17 plus 2 19. Next 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. These are even numbers. So what we have done, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 will be 16, then we will get 18, then 20. Okay, next 1 3 6 10 15 21 28. What are these? These are triangular numbers, so we will use this formula. So here it is, the position is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the next 3 numbers, the position will be 8 9 and 10. So the value of 8 9 10 we have to put. We know the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, and we have to check for n equal to this 8 9 and 10. 8 9 and 10. First we'll check for 8. Will be in formula, we're directly putting in the formula. Okay, 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2, it will be 8 into 9 by 2, 2 4 is 8, it will be 36. So here it will be 36. Next we will put 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2, it will be 9 into 10 divided by 2, 2 5 is 10, it will be 45. So our next number will be 45. Next n is 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2, we will get 10 into 11, 10 plus 1 is 11, then divide by 2, 2 5s are 10, we will get 55. The next number will be 55. Okay, understood? Next 1 4 9 16 25 36 49. What are these? These are squares. This is 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. And square basically means 1 square is equal to 1 into 1, we get 1. 2 square means 2 into 2, we get 4. So 7 square is 49. Then the next 3 will be 8 square, 9 square and 10 square. Okay, so 8 square will be how much? 8 square is 8 into 8, 64. 64. Similarly 9 square will be 81 and 10 square will be 100. Okay, and so on. So square numbers are done. Now we'll do cube numbers. 1 8 27 64 125 and 216. This is 1 cube, 8 is 2 cube, 27 is 3 cube, 64 is 4 cube, 125 is 5 cube, 216 is 6 cube, Then the next three numbers will be 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. Okay. So 1 cube basically means 1 into 1 into 1, we get 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, we get 8. Similarly, for 7 cube, what will be the answer? 7 cube will be 7 into 7 into 7. It will be 343. So next number is 343. Similarly, 8 cube will be 512 and 9 cube will be 729. You check it yourself, okay? And so on. Next, what are these? Virankha numbers. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. So how to get the next three numbers? What I have said before is, first we have to consider first two number. I am writing here 1, 2. Then we have to add these two, we will get 3. Then we add these two, we get 5. Okay. So I check here like that. Similarly, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 5 plus 8 is 13. Then 8 plus 13 is 21. 13 plus 21 is how much? 34. So our next number will be 34. Then 21 plus 35. Sorry, 21 plus 34 will be 55. Next, 34 plus 55 will be 89. So the three numbers are 34, 55 and 89. Okay. Virankha numbers is done. Next, this is power of 2. So how to get 1 here? It is 2 to the power 0, then 2 power 1. This is 2 power 2, then 2 power 3, then 2 power 4, and 2 power 5, 2 power 6. Next three number will be 2 power 7, 2 power 8, and 2 power 9. 2 power 0 means 1 direct. 2 power 1 means 2. 2 power 2 means 2 into 2. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So similarly, now to get 2 power 7, we have to multiply 2 how much times? 7 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much we will get if we multiply 2 7 times? 128. So next number will be 128. Similarly, 2 to the power 8 will be 256. And 2 power 9 will be how much? 512. You check for yourself. Okay. Next, power of 3. 1, 3, 9. So this is 3 to the power 0. This is 3 power 1. And 9 is 3 square. Then 27 is 3 cube. Then 81 is 3 to the power 4. 243 is 3 power 5. 729 is 3 power 6. Next 3 will be 3 power 7, 3 power 8, and 3 power 9. Okay. So 3 power 7 will be how much? It is very large number. Use calculator or do by yourself. Means 3 power 7, you have to multiply 3 how much times? 7 times. 7 times. Okay. So how much we will get? 2187. Next, 3 power 8 is 6561. 3 power 9 is 19683. Let's say if we get or not. 3 power 7, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 into 3 is 9. Again 3 into 3 is 9. Again 3 into 3 is 9. So what we've got? 9 to 9, then we go to 9 to 9. We'll get 81. Then here 9 into 3 is 27. So 81 into 27 we will do 7 on the 7. This is 56. Then 2 and 16. 7, 8, 11, 2187. So here's 2187. So it is correct. So let's meet in the next part. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. Click here for the next part.